Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth reviews of the latest products on the market. Today, we're shedding light on one of the best solar outdoor wall lights available, the Outdoor Wall Lights by LWSOY. Let's dive right in. Introducing the Outdoor Wall Lights by LWSOY, designed to illuminate your outdoor space with style and efficiency. These sleek and modern lights are perfect for your yard, garden, house, garage, or any outdoor area in need of illumination. Crafted with high-quality aluminum material, these lights are built to withstand any weather condition, ensuring durability and longevity. The elegant matte black finish adds a touch of sophistication to your outdoor decor. Installation is a breeze with the easy-to-follow instructions and all the necessary hardware included. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast or a novice, you'll have these lights up and shining in no time. What sets these lights apart is their unique up and down dual lighting design, providing both functional illumination and creating a warm and inviting atmosphere. Say goodbye to dark pathways and hello to a beautifully lit outdoor space. But wait, there's more. These lights are not only practical but also make for a fantastic gift for any occasion. Whether it's a housewarming, birthday, or special celebration, these lights are sure to impress. And here's the best part. You can shop with confidence knowing that LWSOY offers a 6-month warranty and guaranteed after-sales service. So, why wait? Illuminate your outdoor space with the Outdoor Wall Lights by LWSOY today. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more reviews on the latest products. Until next time, happy shopping!